name is dialabc.com, and my name will be with dialabc.ai. Is it different enough?
The domain name dialab.com is indeed similar to your proposed with dialab.ai. While the addition of with and the AI top-level domain TLD do differentiate your domain name, the similarity in the core name dialab might still raise concerns. The key factors to consider are: 1. The names dialab.com and with dialab.ai do share a significant portion of their characters, which could lead to visual confusion. 2. When spoken, the names might sound similar, especially if the with prefix is not clearly enunciated. 3. Both names convey a similar idea, which is dialing phone numbers using letters. However, there are also some distinctions. 1. The com and AI tildes are different, which might help to differentiate the two names. 2. The with prefix in your domain name adds a distinct element that is not present in the original name. To mitigate potential risks, you may want to consider the following. 1. Verify that dialab is not a registered trademark or service mark that could be infringed upon. 2. Evaluate how your target audience will perceive the similarity between the two names. If your audience is tech-savvy and familiar with AITLD, they might be more likely to distinguish between the two names. 3. Ensure that your branding, marketing, and overall visual identity are distinct from the existing dialab.com to minimize potential confusion. Ultimately, it's crucial to weigh the potential risks and benefits of using a similar domain name. If you're still unsure, you may want to consider alternative domain names that are more distinct or consult with a legal expert specializing in intellectual property and trademark law.
Yeah, that is challenging. I'm not sure what I can do.
It sounds like you're considering the potential risks and challenges associated with medical conditions, but in the context of domain names and trademarks. To clarify, the similarity between dialab.com and with dialab.ai may pose a risk of confusion, particularly if both entities are operating in the healthcare or medical industry. If you're planning to offer medical or healthcare-related services, it's essential to prioritize clarity and distinctiveness in your branding to avoid potential harm or confusion to patients or customers. In this case, you may want to reconsider your domain name choice or explore alternative options that are more distinct and less likely to cause confusion. Additionally, you could take steps to clearly differentiate your brand, services, and messaging to minimize potential risks. What specific medical or healthcare-related services do you plan to offer, and how do you envision your brand and domain name fitting into that space?
This is more for IT, information technology services, not medical services.